Let us continue the seventh problem. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeters and radius 60 centimeters standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeters. Look at this green portion. Here there is a cone which is standing on a hemisphere. Okay, the height of the cone is 120 centimeters and the radius is 60 centimeters. Okay, and also he has given that it is standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeters. The radius of the hemisphere also 60. Why? Because they both are joined at their bases. That means there is a common circular base for both of them. So the radius is same for both of them. Is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. See, it was kept in a cylinder which is filled with water. Okay, it is inside a cylinder which is having a full of water up to the brim, up to the top. Okay, now find the volume of the water left in the cylinder. Actually, if the cylinder is full of water, is having full of water, if we keep the solid which is in the green shape in the cylinder, some water will be come out, will overflow. Okay, see, then after the water displaced from the cylinder, what is the volume of the water left over in the cylinder? That we need to find. Okay, and he has given it the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeters and the height is 180 centimeters. Here you have to observe the heights of the cylinder and the solid which is in the shape of which is in the green color are not same. So the height of the cylinder is more than the height of the cone. Okay, of course it is same. Why? Because if you add this, the cone height is 120 and what is that? The cylinder height is 180. Why? Because if you add this cone height and the hemisphere height, the total will be 180 only. So both will be same. But when you compare with the cone height, it is not same. Now look at this. What is the information given? Now radius of the cone as well as this is same as is equal to the radius of the hemisphere is equal to the radius of the cylinder. All are same. Okay, that is how much? R is equal to 60 centimeters. Height of the cone. Let us take it as H1. H1 is equal to 120 centimeters. Height of the cylinder. Let us take it as H2. That is 180 centimeters. Okay, what we need to find? We need to find the water left over in the cylinder. So what we have to find? Here we need to find the volume of the cylinder and volume of the solid which is kept in the water. And then we have to subtract the volume of the solid from the cylinder. Then we get the water left over in the cylinder. So volume of the water left over in the cylinder. Okay, here what we need to find? So volume of the water left in the cylinder. Is equal to volume of the cylinder minus volume of the solid. Solid is the combination of cone and hemisphere. Okay. So we need to use the formula to find the volume of the water left in the cylinder. Okay. Now volume of a cylinder formula, pi. Here we have taken the volume height of the cylinder as h1, pi r square h1. Sorry, h2 we have taken, h2 minus here volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h2 we have taken it as h1. Okay, cone height is h1, cylinder height is h2 plus, and what is the volume of the hemisphere formula? 2 by 3 pi r cube, cubic units. So from all these we can take pi r square common, then we get h2 minus, here we get h1, here pi r square we have taken common, 1 by 3 h1 by 3 plus here 2 by 3 r, 2r by 3. Okay, we can write like this, cubic units. So what is the pi value did he give? No, he has not given. So we can take it as 22 by 7 into radius is 60. 60 into 60 is h2. h2 is 180 minus, and what is h1? h1 is 120 by 3 plus 2 into r value, radius is 60 by 3. Okay, now let us simplify this. Here 360 is 340 is 120, here 320 is 60. So we get 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into, we get 180 minus 40 minus, here we have changed minus into plus. So let us open the bracket then. We have opened the bracket, pi r square h1 minus into plus, here it will become minus after opening the bracket. Okay, now here 2 into 20, here this is 40 and this is 40 centimeter cube. Now see, 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 into 180 minus 40, that is 100 centimeter cube. Now we have to simplify this. We know that 6 into 6, 36, 36 into 22, 72, 72, 2, 9, 792. So 22 into 36 I got, 6 is 36, 36 into 22 I got 792. So 792,000 by 7 centimeter cube. So after dividing, I have divided already, I got 1131428.57142. Please you divide yourself. So it is time taking process. So it is in the centimeter cube. In order to find the value in meter cube, we need to divide with what number? Can you guess? 1131428.57142. It is in centimeter cube. If you want to convert into meter cube, for 1 meter there is 100 centimeters, but meter cube it is. So we need to divide with 100 into 100. Then 100 into 100 into 100 means we get 10 lakhs, means 6 zeros. The point will move towards left side for 6 zeros, then we get here point will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 after 1.1314285742 meter cube. So let us write the value. Let us correct to 3 decimal places, then we can leave all the places afterwards. So 1.131 meter cube. This is the water. This is approximately, okay. So this is the water left over in the cylinder after keeping the solid which was formed by joining a cone and a hemisphere. Okay, did you understand? Please copy this problem. Okay, Let us continue the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.